Students, good morning to all. We are from Manur Ias Academy, New Delhi. So today we are going to cover the current affairs topic related to the recent heat waves. So as you can see that it is an article published in Hindu paper related to the present environmental changes in the summer. And the heading itself gives you an idea about the intense heat what is driving up temperatures beyond normal in north, west, central and east India. So this is an article which might be important in terms of environmental issues. As you know that in UPSC, environmental topics are having very good importance in the last 5 to 6 years. So in the recent report of IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, which was released, it was stated that this summer it was the hottest April in the last 122 years. And this is a shock to the world because the heat waves which is generated in India, it is the largest in terms of temperature since last 122 years. So it is also seen that major parts of India in terms of north, west, central and southern parts are having extreme temperatures since last few months. So as you can see the globe over here, this is a graphical imagination in terms of Google Earth map where you can see the Earth's temperature in various places in terms of the map. As you can see the red color, the deep red, the deep grey colors around the globe. So this is the recent map released by the NASA in terms of the areas. You can see that Prayagraj, Kanpur, Agra, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Bhilai, Varanasi, Nagpur, Kanpur, Delhi, Amritsar. So maximum all the parts of north and western part of India, they have the extreme temperatures in terms of the April. And this is the map of India. As you can see the land surface temperatures. It is ranging from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. And you can see the color of the map. The major parts of India which is under the threat of intense heat, where you can see the maximum places are in the range of 40 to 50, in some places it is 40 to 30. So you can see that maximum places in India it is having intense land and air surfaces in terms of heat. So this is one of the images which is the recent times where you can see the people are facing lot of problems in terms of heat waves in major parts of India. So now let me tell you what is an heat wave. So generally what is the term called heat wave? You can see that any maximum temperature is over 40 degrees Celsius and at least 4.5 notches above normal. So what is the meaning of 4.5 notches above normal? It is about in a given year, it can be from January to December, every month we do have some minimum and maximum temperatures recorded till date. So in the last few years, what is happening? The minimum and maximum temperatures recorded in any place is getting increased. And this is because of the global warming. And the most important thing is the fossil fuels which is burnt in the atmosphere. So India has seen that it is an increase of 4.5 notches above normal. So the severe heat wave, when this term is used, it is used when it is not normal and it is more than 6.4 notches. So this year, maximum places in India, they are in the heat waves and in the terms of severe heat waves. So it is based on the recent recorded temperatures which is in the month of April. So already you can see that a severe heat wave is declared if the maximum temperature crosses 47 degree. So here we have three type of questions: heat waves, severe heat waves. So in this topic we will be having the preliminary questionnaires related to UPSC exam. But recently the IMD has reported that they are given some logical explanations related to the present changes in the temperature. And you can see that it is related to the periodic light rainfall and thunderstorms, typically for the time of the year due to lack of active western disturbances. So majority of surveys done according to the IMD, everyone stated that this situation arose only because due to western disturbances and its impact on Indian subcontinent. Question also comes in UPSC, which is one of the important questions in terms of Indian geography as well as climatology and including environmental issues. You can see the map over here. This is the western section. This is the eastern part. So you can see the direction of the winds. They keep on traveling from the west to east. So in this movement, it keeps on traveling to the northern India in the first stage. And here the Himalayas, which already you know that they act as a barrier. And these western disturbances winds, they stop over here. And if this in this situation, if they don't have moisture content, technically the heat waves are generated. And this might be also one of the reason for the daylight heat waves which is taking place in major parts of India. So students, I hope you understood about this topic. Bit technical topic. You need not to mug up from any books. It is just based on geographical aspects and in terms of Indian Meteorological Department service. So this topic might be important for UPSC preliminary as well as main exam, because maximum UPSC questions they are targeting from last 1 year. So this year IMD question in terms of Indian weathering system can come for either mains, prelims or as interview, which might be important in terms of the recent happenings in India in terms of the temperature changes in few of the states where many records are broken in this year, where many farmers are facing a problem in terms of the heat waves. So these are the some informations in terms of the heat waves generated in. So maximum you can see the Haryana, Delhi, Punjab, isolated pockets of Western Europe, Western Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Marathwada, Telangana. These all places were having in temperatures of 40 to 43, which is not the normal temperature. It is more than that. So this is a report which is generated every day, but we have tried our best to give you the exact report which might be important for the examination point of view. So students, many scientists they have a myth. Is the climate change is also a responsible factor for this? It might be, because as you can see that the global warming, changes in the temperatures, changing in this raining pattern, changing in the various aspects of environmental issues can also be one of the major sections in terms of present heat waves generated. And as you already know that Indian government is working according to the Paris Agreement commitments to reduce the maximum air pollutants in terms of the pollution which is taken by the coal industries. So maximum the world is fighting with the global climatic issues. So this question can be also important in terms of UPSC environmental climatic changes according to Paris Agreement and according to 2021 Glasgow Summit. So these questions might come in terms of interview also. So you can see that what impact does heat wave have over India. So this is some of the data which is taken from the Hindu paper, where you can see that from 413 in 1981 to 90 to 575 in 2001 to 10, 600 in 2011 to 20. So these are the data which is taken out in terms of the number of heat waves days in India. So as you can see that every 10 years, every 5 years, the number of days are increasing, keep on increasing. So this is an alarming situation for the Indian subcontinent. We can say that the weather is becoming hotter. And if it is not taken care immediately, in future we might be facing much more problems in terms of summer. So Indian government and Indian IMD is working towards this, and we all should work towards a sustainable society in terms of sustainable development. So to overcome all this, the Indian government is also planning to initiate the green energy and green areas of investments. So you can see here the effects of heat waves on health. As many people who are directly coming in contact of the heat, they might have some of the symptoms related in this graphics. So it is very important for the people's health also that people should take care of their health. They need to avoid the direct heat because it might disturb the physical health also in a longer term. So heat waves have a lot of issues, not only on terms of environment, but also on a personal note, people's health is also getting disturbed. So this question is very important for UPSC. I hope you all enjoyed this topic. Thank you once again, and I wish you all the best. Prepare well for UPSC examinations. See you soon. Thank you. Bye.